Here's the truth about day trading. It's actually not a passive income stream at all. Day trading looks more like a job than hobby, especially when you're just starting. And most traders actually lose money day trading. But once you get really good and can afford to make only one trade every few days, it gets a little less busy and a lot more profitable. Let's break this down further. But first, what is day trading? Day trading refers to the practice of purchasing and selling a security within a single trading day. It happens in both the foreign exchange market and the stock market. Different tools make trading easier. Off the bat, the list of tools you'll need to lock in will be a platform to trade on, a scanner for news updates in the market, a chart analysis tool, and a filter tool for which stocks or forex you'll want to keep an eye on. We'll call these scanners for stocks. We'll dive deeper into tools we recommend if that's what you want, but we'll let you know now that each trader has a different approach and their own favourite tools to get the job done. Yet, here's what everyday traders can agree on. If you attempt to day trade without sufficient knowledge on stocks and trading, then you'll lose a lot of money. That's why the next step after getting involved in the stock market is testing out your skills in day trading. So, if you haven't watched our videos on personal finance, be sure to check out that playlist. Alright, freedom seekers, you know what we want to do here? Let's go. When day trading, the first thing you need to get into the habit of is to keep up with the latest stock market news. You need to know about all events that affect stocks as quickly as possible. These events include economic, business and financial news, interest rate plans, etc. Events and news are catalysts for movement in the market, and one catalyst can make you money, or have you crying at night. The faster your tool, the better. Everyone loves Yahoo Finance, but just a hint, the big news stations are generally not the fastest. Without an in-depth understanding of the market and its unique risks, charts may be deceiving in real time, which we don't want. So, do your due diligence and understand the particular ins and outs of the product you trade. This way, the market will never catch you with your pants down. Set aside time and money. If you have limited time to spare, be cautious of day trading. You can spend your early mornings doing your homework and trade for an hour or two once the market's open, but every second counts when trading, so it's best not to get distracted. Generally, day trading requires a lot of your time and attention, especially when you're learning the ropes. Just like any skill, it requires a lot of focus as well. In day trading, you'll have to be tracking the market and spotting any opportunities that arise at any time during trading hours. As we said before, it's more like a job than a hobby, except you can make a living from it. Another requirement is money. As a rule, never invest money you need to pay your bills, which is money you can't afford to lose. That's the type of pressure no trader needs. But, as a day trader, you'll need to assess and commit a certain amount of money that you're willing to risk. Investors normally are willing to risk less than 2% of what they have. Think of this like budgeting, but if you haven't watched that video either, you can add that to your list as well. Before we move on, if you're taking anything from this video so far, it would really mean a lot to us if you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really does make a difference when you do, since up to 5 times more people see the video when you like it. What a catch, right? As a small token of gratitude, here's a cute dolphin for you, freedom seekers. Okay, that's enough. Don't flip out about it. No? Flipper? No, never mind. Next up on our list is something most new traders don't think about. Be realistic about profits and keep your cool. In being realistic, you need to develop a trading strategy in advance. Along with the strategy, you need to be disciplined and stick to it. This will allow you to move fast and not have to think fast. Remember this point from an earlier video? It's also important to follow your formula closely rather than trying to chase profits. It's nonsense to not take profits when you get them, or to not cut losses when things are not in your strategy. Emotions have no place in day trading, because the market just doesn't care about you. The stock market will test your nerves. However, as a day trader, you need to learn to keep greed, over-enthusiasm and fear at bay. Decisions should be governed by logic, not emotion. Your strategy doesn't need to succeed all the time to be profitable, just more profitable than the losses you take. Alright, freedom seekers, we're almost at the end, but the true freedom seekers who stick around know what we do here. Here's a bonus tip for the real ones. Research your target companies thoroughly. Researching and analysing your target company's stocks will allow you to make accurate predictions for your stocks. An easy checklist includes the CEO, the 6-month, 2-year and 5-year chart, and previous news about the company versus how the stock reacted. These are pots of gold to start your research from. Okay, freedom seekers, That's all for today, and remember, you're always one decision away. Here's a video we picked just for you.